Hello, my name is Jacek Duda. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Interface IP at Cadence, and today we're going to solve the problem of supporting multiple storage protocols in a single PHY. So Cadence does have the widest coverage for storage interfaces in the whole IP business. We do cover xSPI, which embraces octal SPI, as well as the quad SPI, and ONFI. So for NAND flash, this is ONFI 4.x. This can be ONFI 4 at 400 megahertz or ONFI 4.1 at 600, and then the SD. Okay? So until now, our customers needed to implement individual PHYs for each of those protocols. We listened to them, and starting this quarter, we're introducing the combo PHY concept, which basically embraces support for all of these protocols under one umbrella. Obviously, one question that everyone's going to ask themselves and us is, what's the cost of such a solution, right? There needs to be some overhead. Well, yeah, it's true, but the overhead is only 10% with comparison to the largest PHY we needed to put in here, which is the ONFI PHY. So at the price of additional 10% of area, you're getting support for 3 protocols, which gives a lot of flexibility to your complex SoC. And that's actually what we're trying to help here. So if you want to find out more details, please check our website at cadence.com and see our other Whiteboard Wednesdays about storage IP. Thanks a lot and goodbye.